Should you learn digital marketing? Wait, let me guess. Could it be because you heard somewhere somehow that digital marketers earn close to $50,000 or more in a year? Or could it be because digital marketing is now a buzzword? I mean, it's so popular that everywhere you go, you probably hear the word digital marketing. And you're thinking to yourself that could this be the perfect skill to learn to land a job? Or could it actually be because you have a business and you're finding it hard to get customers for your business and you feel digital marketing might be the solution to your problem? Well, whatever the reasons may be, in this video, I'm going to be sharing the advantages of learning digital marketing. Also, I'll be sharing why you might not necessarily need to learn digital marketing. And finally, I'll be also sharing some free online courses where you can take digital marketing classes. So, I'm Abidoy and I'm a tech entrepreneur. If you are new here, join this awesome family by subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we discuss more interesting topics like this. So let's dive right in. Now, first things first, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply online marketing. It is the promotion of products and services online. Usually these days, most customers are on the internet, and to reach these customers, you need to market to them online, which means digital marketing. So what does a digital marketer do? A digital marketer is actually responsible for managing the online marketing strategy of a company or a business. And this strategy could include tasks like social media management, acquiring online customers, SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, online branding, and so on and so forth. So that said, what are the advantages of learning digital marketing? The first advantage of learning digital marketing is that the possibility of getting a job as a digital marketer is very high. Why? Because businesses and companies are looking for people with the skills to help them acquire customers online. The career opportunities of a digital marketer are usually very huge, and according to Edureka, there are over 75,000 job offers for digital marketers on Indeed.com, which is the most popular job portal. So you see why it might be good to learn digital marketing. The second reason is that digital marketing is a high-paying job, and of course, that's because there's huge demand for digital marketers. Companies are looking for people with the skills, to help them acquire customers online. So that's another good reason to learn digital marketing. And last but not the least, another advantage of learning digital marketing is that if you are the owner of a business, or you actually a blogger, or you run an online business, or whatever the case may be, when you are first starting out, you might not have enough capital, funding, or investment to run that business. So you might actually need to be versatile and fill in some roles. And if you need to acquire customers, you might need to learn digital marketing, because digital marketing could be a lifesaver for you. You might not be able to employ digital marketers or hire them when you're just starting out. So you might need to learn it so as to save your business. It could be a lifesaver for your business. Now that we are done with that segment, why might you not necessarily need to learn digital marketing? Well, if you're a business owner again, or if you are like a blogger, or you own an online business or e-commerce site, whatever the case may be, and you are actually capable of hiring a digital marketer, you don't necessarily need to learn digital marketing. You could just focus your energy on pressing needs that your company needs or your business needs, and just outsource the marketing of your product to digital marketers for them to help you acquire customers online, to certify digital marketers that really know their work. So in conclusion, to conclude this video, if you're actually interested in learning digital marketing, you can actually read books like Marketing Made Simple or Mastering Content Strategy. Also, if you're not really a book person and you prefer online courses, you could take, there are some free digital marketing online courses and there are some paid digital marketing online courses. The free digital marketing online courses, include one that is offered by Google Digital Garage as well as HubSpot Academy, and they also offer free certification as well with the courses. But if you have the money to spend, actually, you could actually take paid digital marketing online courses from Click Minded or from Udemy. So I hope you'll be able to get value from this video, and if you did, kindly share this video with friends, like this video, drop a comment on what you think about this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, hit that subscribe button and click notification bell so you get notified as always when we discuss interesting topics like this. I remain Abidon, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.
We are heroes tonight.